to Toys and Family Adventures. Welcome back to our channel. This is my big brother Riro. Hi, my name is Big. Hi, welcome to Toys and Family Adventures. This is my Rangel, and this is my Kyrie. This is me. Oh, me. This is me. This is me, Rangel. What about the grown-ups? Welcome back to our channel. If you guys don't want to go back to our channel again, click that subscribe button because we're gonna make some s'mores and we're gonna go camping time. Yay! Minnie and Pato. Yeah. Yep. Yay! And this is Coco and this is Coco. Yay!
Hi, Papa.
Okay, guys. Now we have to wait for the fire to be nice. Is it done yet? No, not done. Why is there smoke in the fire? Is it done, Mama? Mama, why is there smoke in the fire?
That's a good question. Let's ask Papa. Oh, sorry.
Don't fan it. Do it. So, look at this, guys. But it's not ready to eat because the marshmallow is too big to fit on it. How can I microwave the marshmallow?
So you got your Hershey?
That one's so like a wet.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't look like a s'more. Oh, s'more. Don't we make our own s'more? Oh,
Don't press it, Rocky.
This s'more is so yummy.
Aww. Riro, can you show yours?
So yummy.
Go.
So guys, do you want to eat some? How's it taste? Ooh, it's really good. So you like it? You just like it? Let me know in your comments if you like it. Okay. Wow.
Look at Rocky, Papa.
Look at Rocky.
Rocky, why are you
Because I'm working everywhere, Mama.
everywhere?
Yeah, I'm looking everywhere, Mama. Can you talk to my Toy and Family Adventure friends? Real?
You're too
Can
close.
you say, so do you like it? So do you like it?
Rocky, you're too close.
Can you say, let me know in the comments if you like it.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Come here, Kyrie.
Is it gone? It's gonna be falling down.
No. Come here. Riro. Here's yours, Kyrie. Careful, it's hot. Careful. It's hot. I told you.
I told you it was hot.
Go like this, like this. Look, look. Now, it's good now. It's not hot anymore. Yeah, you can bite it now. Bite. Bite. Riro, come here.
Now we made our own s'mores.
Good
Now,
job.
Mama, now you have to microwave it. Okay, I made my own s'mores. Now we have to microwave this s'mores in 1 minute. Mama, can you microwave this in 1 minute?
10 seconds will be better, baby.
Oh, 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Not 1 minute.
Yeah, too much. That's too much.
100.
But look at Riro and Papa.
Look.
Wait.
Just barbecue it. Barbecue.
Is it done, Papa?
Let me see.
I know. What do I eat?
Yeah.
What
Just
do I
eat it. Eat.
And you want to It's done.
Yep. That's how you do it, guys. Here.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Is it done? Is it done, Mama?
Bite, Riro.
Yeah.
Now. One.
Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday, Rocky. Yes, it is your birthday. Thank you.
That was one.
It's not good.
Okay, wait. Don't. Just on the center. Because we don't have space.
Wow, look, we can see the sky from here, Rangel. Look.
Look at that!
Wow, it's big.
That's my favorite. That one is made. Hello! A door! Hi guys, welcome to Toys and Family Adventures. Today is camping time.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's gonna break.
Oh, be careful, Rocky. Hey, rule number 1. Hey, you gotta be quiet. Or the bear will hear you. And the mountain lion. And the crickets. Okay? So we have to be quiet. So what do we need? We get flashlight, we need blankets and pillow. Okay. But she can lay down and look at the sky and see the stars.
Touch the wall.
Happy Valentine's Day. You mean happy
Birthday.
Rimo, don't touch the wall.
Riro, don't touch the tent, please. Don't touch. Ouch.
Whoa. Happy Valentine's Day.
Quiet. The neighbors will wake up. Shh, we have to be quiet. Riro, is this your wish? You always pray for the camping light, the tent,
I need
and...
to turn off the lights.
Which one? This light? No. If you turn it off, you won't be able to see it. Hey, hey, hey. can stand from inside. Look, I can stand from inside. Ta-da! The roof.
The windows.
Okay. You want to say goodnight?
I wanted the windows.
Okay. Hi, Riro. Where are you, Riro?
On the plane. In the Doritos.
Huh? Inside the... What is that?
Fans! Fans plates! Mama! Fans plates!
Camping.
Be quiet, we won't.
Yeah. The lions might hear you. Or the bear up in the sky.
good.
Rangel! Hey, Rangel. I'm here behind you.
Oh!
Good morning.
Good morning!
Are you trapped?
Yeah! I'm trapped!
No, no, no. Don't touch the... Huh?
I'm trapped!
Don't touch. No, no, no.
I'm trapped!
Rangel, don't touch the walls of the tent.
Can't do it because there's a crack.
Hi, Riro. Peekaboo. Hi, Riro. Good morning, Rangel. Good morning, Rocky.
My hat's gonna get cold.
Do you like to put it on or no? Is it hot?